Did you know that 50 million people worldwide are living with Alzheimer's or some other form of dementia? Alzheimer's is a brain disorder that destroys memory and thinking skills. I believe that it's important to know about this disease because it affects so many people. I believe I'm a good person to tell you about it because I've done lots of research, written many papers, and have seen the disease firsthand. Today I'm going to tell you a little bit about what Alzheimer's is, its symptoms, and its progression and treatments. So first, Alzheimer's is a degenerative brain disease and is the most common form of dementia. So dementia is a term given to any kind of condition that results in a decline of memory and thinking skills. So according to the Alzheimer Association, or ALS.org, the buildup of abnormal proteins that are known as plaques and tangles lead to the symptoms that are seen in Alzheimer's. So as you can see here, the buildup of these plaques and tangles and these neurons affect the communication within the brain, and it leads to the symptoms that are seen. This leads me to my second main point of what are the symptoms of Alzheimer's disease. So the most common early symptom of Alzheimer's is just simple memory lapses in learning or in remembering newly learned information. So throughout a lifetime, as people get older, they'll have trouble remembering things. But in Alzheimer's, it's more of a severe decline in memory. There are other symptoms of Alzheimer's besides just these simple memory lapses. There's disorientation, behavior and mood changes, suspicions about family, friends, and caregivers, deepening confusion, and struggle with things such as walking, talking, and even speaking. This leads me to my last main point of the progression of the disease along with some treatments. So there are 3 stages of Alzheimer's disease. There's mild, moderate, and severe. In mild, the person is able to function independently still. They may have simple memory lapses, as I just mentioned a second ago, and these can include such as remembering new names or losing keys. In the moderate form, the person is beginning to have symptoms that other individuals are noticing. Then in the severe stage, the person needs around-the-clock care and is also very confused. The progression through these stages is very different for each person, and no 2 people are going to go through it at the same rate as one another. So right now, there is no cure for Alzheimer's. There are several treatments available that help slow the progression of the disease. They can treat things such as memory, behavior, and sleep. All of these treatments are aimed to improve the quality of life. They do not, unfortunately, cure these symptoms. So, as you can see, there's no cure, so people and researchers and scientists worldwide are hard at work trying to find a cure. So in all, as you can see, Alzheimer's is a serious disease that affects so many people worldwide. It's important to know what Alzheimer's is, its symptoms, along with its progression and treatments. I've included some facts here. Alzheimer's disease is actually known to affect 5.8 million people worldwide, or not worldwide, Americans, I'm sorry. And by 2050, there are supposed to be 14 million people in America affected by this disease. And then Alzheimer's actually kills more people than breast cancer and prostate cancer combined. I've attached a website here, the ALS.org, the Alzheimer's Association, if you'd like to do more research for yourself.
424.